Does your camera fallen victim to your creativity, compelled to either fly or swim? The OM System TG7 camera was designed to endure all those adventures. Built with rugged construction, it thrives in any environment, boasting a powerful sensor and advanced image processing for high-resolution photos with vivid colors and remarkable clarity. The array of interchangeable lenses adapts to diverse shooting scenarios. Furthermore, the advanced autofocus image stabilization and user-friendly touchscreen interface make content creation easy and enjoyable. It's time to elevate your photography to new heights. Yay, camping! Hey, another challenge to install the tent. Well, welcome to the world of inflatable tents. When folded, both of them are pretty compact for easy transport on car trips or pedal-assisted bikepacking adventures. The Moon Tent, compact yet innovative, accommodates 2 to 4 individuals with a unique 2-pod design, boasting a quick 4-minute inflation by the Gigapump 80. This battery-powered inflator with a remarkable 8 gallons per second rate ensures a swift setup, making camping hassle-free and enjoyable. The sphere tent is bigger. You'll need up to 6 minutes to inflate it, but there's enough space for up to 8 people. Both options are well ventilated and come with a bug mesh so those pesky insects won't spoil your camping. Oops, out of power? This bulb is your way out during power outages. It automatically starts illuminating the moment an outage occurs, providing you with up to 4 hours of energy-efficient lighting. What's cool is that it's easy to install and use. It fits all standard light sockets and uses 80% less energy than traditional lights. Way more comfortable than candles and generators, right? Meet the Glowstone Flashlight, a BBC award-winning device that redefines versatility and illumination. It's just a half-inch thick, yet it emits 900 lumens of ultra-clean light with up to 60 hours of lighting power. Encased in a tough silicone body, it's waterproof, dustproof, and gasproof, boasting a resilient metal spine and composite construction. With its belt clip and nano suction pad, you can stick it to surfaces or wear it for hands-free use. How clean is the water you're drinking? And how clean is the container you're drinking water from? This bottle will take care of both itself and the liquid it holds. Push the button on the cap and the UVC light eliminates 99% of germs and bacteria. The built-in safety lock prevents accidental UVC exposure when the cap is off, and the silicone gasket prevents leaks. Choose your sterilization level with 2 modes, a single press for normal sterilizing and a double press for blitz mode in case the water requires greater sterilization. Here's another device that'll keep your beer nice and chilled anywhere you go. It fits all standard-sized beer cans and bottles. Remove the top part, put the bottle in, and then pull everything back together. By the way, removing the top part makes this thing perfect for cans. Does the size really matter? Although this thing easily fits your palm, it combines the features of a whole tool set. This Nite Ratchet key tool contains 2 flat bits and 2 Phillips bits, a ruler, several wrenches, and so on. And all that is somehow packed up in a full-service ratchet with one side for tightening and the other for loosening. In case you want to keep the tool nearby, just clip it to your keys, jeans, or backpack with a carabiner. Despite this incredible versatility and tough body, the tool still weighs less than 2 ounces and will perfectly fit your keychain. You know, a regular pen may become a weapon in the wrong hands, especially this one. It's a tactical pen that can act as a defense tool. It's made of durable alloy that can break metal, ceramic, and thick glass. You'll also get a built-in flashlight that's extremely bright for this size. The strobe mode may be quite helpful in emergencies. And there are 2 more options hidden inside, a screwdriver and a hexagonal wrench. Stay safe and productive with just a pen. Well, some people get their nails done, and some just put on their actual claws. These stainless steel rings will make any outfit look like real armor, especially this eerie version with a built-in blade. Despite the tough look, the rings are still fairly comfortable to wear. You're free to bend your fingers as if you're wearing a regular glove. Say hello to your new Fidget buddy that's all about good vibes. This thing's heavy, but it's got that chill silence, making it your go-to for hours of quiet fidgeting. Twist and turn these funky gears that snap together like magic every 4 spins. You can keep your fingers busy with one hand or go wild with both.